Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add slant effect to text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show now add slant effect to text. Now going to the insert menu option. Click. Then click for add word. Add word art option. Then select from a art in the design. Click. Then type or text. Now select from OK. Now you can see. Now resize your text. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a change shape option. Now select from a slant up and slant down. Now select from a slant down. That it's. Now you can see add slant effect to text in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for